All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 2017. That's right, folks. It is 2017 Hyundai Santa Fe. It is the all-wheel drive model. It's beautiful white with the gray interior, alloy wheels, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, got backup camera. Super nice. Only 34,000 miles in this vehicle, and best of all, minimum damage around the body. Your front bumper looks great. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks good. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice LC curbing. Check out your tire thread. Just under 730 seconds. Let me double check it. That's it, just over 730 seconds. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks very nice. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice LC curbing here. Your tire thread, over 730 seconds. Here's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. Looks good. Got power windows, power doors, power mirrors. Your front driver's seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. It is a powered seat. We jump into this vehicle. It does come with the 2 key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Of course, you got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. You got your backup camera. Boom. You got your AC controls right down below. Very nice. You got steering wheel controls on this side, as well as this side. And this is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on, or any issues. And there's your mileage of 34,663. Looks good. Keeping it moving. Turn on the lights. Get your 4x4 action right there. Very nice. Here is your rear passenger seat. What that looks like, no holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise on your third row. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. It does have rear AC vents. Coming around, rear bumper looks nice. Here's your rear trunk space. That one looks pretty good. Of course, this is what your rear trunk space looks like. Very big and spacious. This does fold down. And check out pictures for more details for that. This quarter looks pretty good. Here's your rear passenger side rim. Does have some curbing. I'll say 10 or more than golf all that. Okay. And your tire there is over 730 seconds. This door looks pretty good. Here's your front passenger seat. The other side of the rear passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Front door looks good. Front passenger seat with no holes, no tears, no rips to that. Your front fender looks pretty good. Front passenger rim, very nice. LC curbing. Now, your tire thread, over 730 seconds. I believe there was a little dent or something here somewhere. Here it was. A little. Like a little dent. A chip. Chip the paint off. All right, folks. Lights are working. Car is on. Folks, once again, this is a beautiful 2017 Hyundai Santa Fe all-wheel drive model with 34,000 miles. You guys got any questions, concerns? Don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.